After the server reboots, select the VMS database installation package. For most new installations, use the database package provided with the Enterprise VMS software. Click Next. The Database Setup Manager then runs. Verify that Fresh Install is selected. Click Next. For Maintenance Plan, use the recommended daily setting unless a different or higher degree of reliability is required. Designate the target directory for the backup files. A separate device is recommended. Click Next. Select the instance of SQL Server Express that SRTool just installed, or discover and select a different SQL Server instance. Select the correct video mode for your country, and then click Readiness Test. Upon success, click Install. Click OK upon completion, and then click Close. The installation package for VMS servers then runs. Click Next. Read the license agreement and click Yes. For settings, enter the default starting ID for computers on the VMS network, such as 200. The number increases automatically to 201, 202, and so on when other VMS servers are added. Verify the location for the variant log directory. For a master recorder installation, select the disks to be used for video storage. You do not select video disks on a master server. Click Next. For the VMS network settings, verify the master server IP address. For the other values, you typically use the default settings. Click Next. Enter a security passphrase that is between 10 and 32 characters long, including any spaces. This passphrase encrypts and decrypts data shared between VMS servers and must be identical for all the servers in the VMS site. Click Next. On the Start Copying Files page, click Install. On the Wizard Complete page, click Finish. SRTool restarts the server. Afterward, the VMS Recorder window opens and VMS services start. Starting in Release 7.5, the web server is installed with a master server by default. On the VMS Web Server Welcome screen, click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Use the default values to install both the Review Smart Client and the Web Review Thin Client. Clear either box or update the Web Review values if needed. Click Next. Click Next to accept the default folder. When ready, click Install. When the web server installation completes, click Finish. The SRTool completes the final steps. At the Installation Complete message, click OK. In the Server Readiness Tool window, click Done. To install any additional VMS components, simply select the category and platform from the drop-down list, and then follow the steps as prompted. To close the SRTool, click the Close button or select File, Exit.